Today I'm going to cook very simple dish. This is gizzard. I washed it already, and I'm going to put like some field seasoning for taste. I've already put timer and bay leaves, Maggi cube. This is my my favorite dishes. This is my favorite seasoning. If you have been watching my video, you must know what seasoning I'm talking about. From Polish shop. I don't know if it's in Africa. I actually don't really know. And also I'm going to put jollof seasoning as well for taste, and ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons, and then I'm going to put with all-purpose seasoning. So I just want to put a little bit of jollof seasoning. I know this is not jollof, but I just want a little bit taste of it. You know, you can even put it meat. It doesn't matter. You know, it's the same season. And also Maggi, liquid Maggi. You know, just for taste. Don't just cook your food and put salt. No. After this, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to put a little bit of oil and leave it for 10 minutes, and then I'll come back. So I'm not going to put water. No, I'll just leave it like this for 5 minutes. So I just want the seasoning to. Red pepper. Yeah, I'm putting lemon curry. I don't know lemon curry. Put the curry. Chicken seasoning. And the Maggi cube. Yeah, this is delicious. Oh, looking good. This is very delicious. I'm going to leave it cook. Everybody. Oh my god, this is simple, weekend. You know when you're tired from Monday to Friday, you just walk and you just need something to do. This is very easy, you know. It's very easy, like about 20 minutes, you know. It depends on how you cook. Some people are very good, and other people they're fast. It depends on how you cook. This is so easy now. Now it's cooked already, so I'm going to make my gizzard, and then I'm going to take my plantain. This is plantain. This. everything together. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait eating it. Oh my god. Guys, you have to try this, you know? You have to try this. You have to try this. It's so simple and nice. Your children will love it. Your husband will love it. You yourself will love it, you know? I'm going to add kitty. I love, this is my favorite. I love paprika, I love it. And then I'm going to this is better than soy sauce. Oh my god, this is delicious. Jesus. Ah, thank you, Lord. Oh my god. That's the way Jesus Christ loves you. You know? Jesus loves you. This is the message of today. Jesus Christ loves you. And Valentine is coming from know that Jesus Christ loves you. Now I'm going to add this is gizzard stock. That's the other one for the better results. Look at this.